Hello, today I'm going to go over how to add specific users to a group. I have created a fundraiser planning group and I want to add specific teachers to that. So I'm going to go to my staff Zoom. Once that loads, I'm going to click on the gear in the top right hand area, and from there I'm going to select the staff that I want to be a part of this fundraiser planning. Once I have all my staff selected, I go to the drop down. I select Invite to Group. Here we choose the group and select. Here we'll see the members I've selected and the group we're going to add them to. There are two buttons to pay attention to. Invite will invite them to the group but not automatically put them in the group, so they will have to accept your invitation. Adding will add them immediately to the group. So I'm going to add these users, and now all those users will see the fundraiser planning group on their My Group section in Edsby. Hope this helps. Thanks.